Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see yourself on screen while recording with OBS Studio, perfect for tutorials, gaming, or presentations where you want to include a webcam view. So first is to launch OBS Studio on your device. So once you're in here, you should be able to see the sources box here at the bottom. So just simply click onto this plus icon here, and then you should be able to see different options. So from here, just go ahead and select video capture device. Then right after, we could name it something like webcam or own camera. Then click on OK. Then it should go ahead and open a window in here or pop up a window. So for this one, you'll just have to go and select your webcam from the device. So right after you've gone ahead and choose that over here on device, you should now see yourself on screen and just simply click on OK to add it. Then you could go ahead and try to resize and position yourself here using your mouse and place it anywhere on the screen. So you could go ahead and put this here onto the upper left corner of the screen, and then you could go ahead and click on start recording in here to proceed. So now you'll see yourself in the recording or live stream. And that is basically it. You'll now be able to record your screen and see yourself using OBS Studio. If you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share with our viewers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on to the next one.